when I started going to work, I was little scared too. The only problem that I faced. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Punjabi Girl Vlogs. I hope you're all doing fine and staying safe. My name is Harleen and on this channel I share content about student life in Canada and just about my life in general. This is a little serious and a serious topic, whether girls are safe in Canada, how's Canada for girls especially, right? I really request you all to watch this entire video and please like and comment so that it reaches wider audience. Please like and comment zarur kar diya je. I will be completely open and transparent and honestly, like jo kuch mere naal hoya, I want to share out openly and be transparent so that you are not scared in any way before you come to Canada, है ना, कि actual की ਹੁੰਦਾ है for girls, because we belong to a culture जिदे विच we are not that independent. What I mean by that कि we are not used to of going out late at nights, है ना, we are mostly dependent on our dad, on our brother, mostly the men in the family, है ना, ਆਪਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤੇ dependent ਹੁੰਨੇ ਆ. That's our Indian culture. But here culture is more wide, बहुत broad हैगा. It's completely different than our Indian culture. We all agree with that, right? So ये थोड़ी जी video long हो सकती है, but I really want to share everything and discuss everything honestly. Have been thinking to make this video for so long and finally I'm here. Like it was just taking me so long because मैं सोच रही थी कि मैं actual like you know I want to share मैं की कुछ share करना चाहनी हाँ. Like it's been 4 years that I came here in 2016 and most of the students who come here after 12th are around that age, 16-17, and that's considered a very young age, है ना. And most of the parents are concerned whether it's girls parents or boys parents, है ना, अपने parents concerned ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ कि ਇੰਨੀ ਛੋਟੀ age ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ completely like you know different country ਜਿਹਦਾ culture ਵੀ completely different ਹੈ. Like my parents were concerned too because obviously girls the safety, even I was little worried कि is Canada, you know, मैं कल्ली जा रही हूँ, my brother is not there with me, my dad is not there with me to protect me, ठीक है. Obviously we were all concerned. We are not used to of going out late at nights and we are like completely dependent on our parents. I was really dependent too, like I was not used to of going out late at nights. Let's first talk about India. India ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ we all know girls are not at all safe. Like I hear about these news ਬਾਰੇ ਸੁਣਦੇ ਆ ਜਦੋਂ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਇੰਨੀ ਯੰਗ ਕੁੜੀ ਨਾਲ ਰੇਪ ਹੋਇਆ ਜਾਂ you know sexual violence ਹੋਇਆ. I mean that really gives me goosebumps ਕਿ India ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ they don't have any strict rules, which is the worst part. ਕਿ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ girls ਲਈ ਕੋਈ like you know girls ਦੀ safety ਲਈ ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਕੋਈ rules ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੇ. ਤੇ that's the reason why a lot of girls want to come to Canada or US, UK क्योंकि इत्थे बहुत strict rules हैगे आ, बहुत safety हैगी compared to that. When I came here, ठीक है, I got my first part-time job at Tim Hortons. Tim Hortons is a cafe which is open 24/7 and I got night shifts. Night shifts were from 11 PM to 7 AM. ठीक है. And let's be honest, ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਨਵੀਂ ਆਈ ਸੀ I was obviously not in the right state of mind क्योंकि I was homesick, ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਘਰ ਦੀ ਯਾਦ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਆ, ਹੈ ਨਾ. When I started going to work I was little scared too ਕਿ like ਇੰਨੀ ਰਾਤ ਨੂੰ I'm not used to of staying out late at night, है ना. ਤੇ ਪਰ ਮੈਨੂੰ job ਮਿਲੀ. I worked there for almost 1.5 years and touch wood, like I have not faced any such difficulty. मतलब I used to go late at nights, मतलब मैं ਜਾਂਦੀ ਸੀਗੀ ਰਾਤ ਨੂੰ 11 o'clock ਦੀ shift ਲਈ. And there are many girls and boys out there ਜਿਹੜੇ ਰਾਤ ਨੂੰ late night shifts ਕਰਦੇ ਆ in Canada, है ना, because we have to pay our tuition fee and we have to do it, right? ਆਪਾਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ. The main thing is ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮੈਂ ਬੱਸ ਤੇ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਸੀ they have like cameras everywhere, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. that was one thing. Second thing ki hai ki ithe police, like if you call 911 you'll get an immediate response, like they will call you back right away. ठीक है, I was little less worried क्योंकि cameras ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀ, ਮੈਨੂੰ surety ਸੀਗੀ that if anything happens with me in this bus record हो रहा सब कुछ, right? Second thing ये है कि अगर मेरे को like I have my phone, अगर मैं 911 डायल कर दिया police will be there right away. That was the satisfaction that I had कि ये दो चीज़ां दी. That's why I want to make everyone aware, like all the girls out there who want to come to Canada, कि इत्थे ਤੁਹਾਡੀ that in that sense you have lot more safety compared to India, because इत्थे police the response right away. Whether you are at university late at night studying, ठीक है, यूनिवर्सिटी ਦੀ पुलिस या कॉलेज ਦੀ पुलिस is always there to help you. ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਆਂਦੀ ਆ, ਪੁਲਿਸ is there, give them a call, they'll be there right away. ਇੰਡੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਕਿ crime ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਸੀ but ਪੁਲਿਸ 1 hour 2 hours late ਆਂਦੀ ਹੈ, right? But here they'll be there right away. कि it has happened to me like even 2 or 3 times कि I accidentally called 911 and cut the call right away, but they call you back asking whether you're fine. Okay, so ਇਹ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਸੈਟਿਸਫੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਕਰਕੇ. ਐਂਡ ਵਾਟਰਲੂ ਇਜ਼ ਅ ਵੈਰੀ ਸੇਫ ਪਲੇਸ ਜਸਟ ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਮੋਰ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ ਏਰੀਆ. ਇੱਥੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਐਂਡ ਕ੍ਰਾਈਮ ਰੇਟ ਬਹੁਤ ਘੱਟ ਹੈਗਾ ਵਾਟਰਲੂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. ਸੋ ਆਈ ਵਾਜ਼ ਲੱਕੀ ਇਨ ਦੈਟ ਕੇਸ. ਆਈ ਰੀਅਲੀ ਵਾਂਟ ਟੂ ਸੇ ਕਿ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਇਜ਼ 110% more safer than India. Doesn't matter whether you are an international student or you are a regular like citizen. You are a human being and your safety is their priority. That's the best thing. You are a human being and thodi safety is their priority. The police is there right away. 911 ਤੇ call ਕਰੋ, they are there right away. University police, college police ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ safety ਲਈ. ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਦਾ violence ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ torture ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਦਾ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਕੂਲਸ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਇੱਥੇ, ਕਾਲਜਸ, ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀਜ਼, ਦੇ ਆਰ ਵੈਰੀ ਵੈਰੀ ਹੈਲਪਫੁਲ. ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੋਈ ਮੈਂਟਲੀ ਟਾਰਚਰ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਫਿਜ਼ੀਕਲੀ ਟਾਰਚਰ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ, like you have support. Trust me, you have support here available for you. You just have to find out the right person to talk to. But honestly, there is a lot more safety in Canada than in India. Trust me, I've been here from last 4 years and ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਕੋਈ incident ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਇਆ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਾਂ ਕਿ Canada is not safe for girls. The only problem that I faced is obviously some bad comments ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਮੈਨੂੰ it has been like 2 or 3 instances ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੈਨੂੰ bad comments ਮੈਂ ਸੁਣੇ from some guys ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ drugs ਲਿੱਤੇ ਹੋਏ ਸੀਗੇ obviously, and it was late at night, ਮੈਂ ਕੰਮ ਤੋਂ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਸੀ, so I completely ignored them. And that has not only happened with me, that might have happened to some other girls, lot of other girls. But India ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਚੀਜ਼ common ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ taunts ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੁਣਦੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ boys ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ taunts ਮਾਰ ਦਿੰਦੇ. It's common in India, but here in last 3 to 4 years only 3 instances where ਕਿਸੇ drug ਕਿਸੇ drug addict ਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਕੋਈ bad comment ਕਰਤਾ and I completely ignored it. That's all I want to say. And trust me, Canada is much safer for girls. I want to tell you some tricks that have always saved me. I would say the tips that I've followed. First thing, have belief in yourself. I mean, like agar ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਤੇ belief ਹੈ ਕਿ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ, be bold, be brave, है ना? Obviously, even I was not confident when I came here. Holi time de naal I started getting that confidence and started getting brave. Second thing, like whenever you are in situation where you wanna ignore random people, whether it's in a bus, in a park, or wherever you are, you wanna ignore random people, start talking on your phone, है ना? That way you don't have to concentrate on what those guys are doing or what they are talking about. Third thing, whenever you feel you are unsafe in a bus late at night, or ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਲੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੇਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੇ, ਟੇਕ ਆਊਟ ਯੋਰ ਫੋਨ ਐਂਡ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਟਾਈਪਿੰਗ ਇਟ, ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਲਾਈਕ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਲੱਗੇ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਮੇ ਬੀ 911 ਤੇ ਨਾ ਕਾਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਇਹਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਫੋਨ ਹੈਗਾ, ਇਹ ਕੁਛ ਵੀ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੀ ਆ। ਸੋ ਬ੍ਰਿੰਗ ਆਊਟ ਯੋਰ ਫੋਨ, ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਬੈਟਰੀ ਪੈਕ ਨਾਲ ਰੱਖੋ ਆਪਣੇ ਫੋਨ ਦੇ। ਐਂਡ fourth thing is, and the foremost one is, have belief in God, ਲਾਈਕ ਰੱਬ ਤੇ ਭਰੋਸਾ ਰੱਖੋ ਕਿ ਕੁਛ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ। ਐਂਡ fifth one is, have belief in the policies and regulations that Canada has put for the safety of people. I hope it was helpful. And last thing that I want to say is, girls, please don't be scared. Have believe in yourself and just come to Canada and fulfill your dreams. That's all I have to say. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be back with more such videos. Bye.